So today is Wednesday, January the 29th. I am currently just sitting on the floor, drinking coffee and eating pizza. I'm recording this on my iPhone because I don't have a vlog camera. So if you guys get to see this video, it means something. So I'm actually late on my period. I'm late about 4 days. I am so nervous. Like my heart is like racing. I don't know why. So I'm late 4 days and I have a feeling that I'm pregnant, but I haven't had much symptoms as far as like tender breast, or I'm not tired. I don't feel like hormonal or anything, which if you guys remember last time that I was pregnant, I had all the symptoms. I was tired, I was hungry all the time, I had cravings, I just had it all. And even though I'm only 4 days late, I don't know, I am usually really regular with my period, so I really wanted to get this on camera, not only for me, for future reference, so I can look back at it, you know, even years down the road, but obviously this is something that I am really happy about and that I really want to share with you guys. So I'm gonna take a pregnancy test with you guys and we're gonna see what it says. But I haven't had the urge to pee, so I'm actually going to just drink my coffee. I'm just waiting for it to cool down, and once I have to go potty, we're gonna go take a pregnancy test. So I'll check back in with you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, I am about to pee. I actually haven't peed in a while. Actually, I did. I forgot that I had to take the pregnancy test. And I peed without taking the test. So I'm just gonna prop you guys up here. So this is actually a pregnancy test that I had from last time when I thought I was pregnant. And I mentioned this before, but when I found out that I was pregnant, hold on. I can't open this. What the fuck? I'm so shaky. Oh my god, I'm kidding. Last time I thought I was pregnant, I saved this pregnancy test because something inside of me told me to keep it, and I'm glad I did. Oh my god, I am so nervous. I am shaking, you guys. Okay, it's okay. Whatever happens will happen. If it's meant to be now, it'll happen. Oh my god, I'm gonna get emotional. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, I am shaking. I knew it. Oh god, please. Oh my god. I knew it. Oh, thank you, Lord. You guys have no idea how long we've been waiting for this moment. After I had my miscarriage, it just completely broke my heart. I don't think I've ever experienced anything like that. I'm just scared because once you've experienced a miscarriage, that thought is always in the back of your head, because it's the same thing that happened. I took this test last time and it said that I was pregnant, and then a few months later I ended up miscarrying, and it was so painful. I really don't wish that pain on anybody. Oh God. Brian and I both had a feeling that we were going to be pregnant because I've always been so accurate with my periods, but I just don't know. I hope this pregnancy goes well, and I hope we have a little angel, because we've been wanting another baby for so long. And hopefully God has finally answered our prayers, and sea lo que sea, you know, Diosito does everything at his time. And maybe last time I just was, oh my God, I keep looking at it, I just can't believe it. These are happy tears, you guys. Don't think that I am sad. I'm not sad. I'm just, oh, I'm feeling all kinds of emotions. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling worried. I feel anxious. I feel hot. I am so hot. I'm just really nervous, and I can't stop thinking about the moment that I found out that I was pregnant, and how happy I was, and how excited I was to tell everybody. And now it's like, I don't even know if I want to wait and tell everybody later on, or if I want to announce it now, because I just, last time that I went through that, it was so hard, because I literally told everybody. I told all my tios, I told my mom was with me. I'm gonna pray, and I want you guys to pray for me. I don't know when this video is gonna go up. It might go up very soon. I might post it in 3 months. I'm not sure. I'm just, oh my God. I have all these emotions. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, you're okay. You're okay. Everything's gonna be okay. I think I'm gonna end the video here, and I really want to make this special for Brian, because he's been really looking forward to being a dad again. Oh my God, I can't stop staring at it. Ew, I just got pee on my hair. He's gonna be so happy. Okay, you guys, I'll see you in the next video.